Hi students, welcome to my channel Pioneer Coaching Center of English Gaya. Today I will continue teaching you how to find out the common errors and improve them. See the first sentence, there is a Rana whom everyone knows as a niggard. The dummy pronoun there is used with a common noun, a collective noun, a material noun and an indefinite pronoun. But here we have as the complement proper noun which takes the dummy pronoun as the introductory subject. So the error lies in part A. We will have to change the dummy pronoun there to the dummy pronoun it. Hence the correct sentence, it is Rana whom everyone knows as a niggard. Sentence number 2. By who? Remember, a question word generally takes its preposition at the end. Only two question words, that is whom and when, take their prepositions at the front. So here the error lies in part A. We must change the interrogative pronoun who to whom. Hence the correct sentence is by whom have you been taught English. Students, यहाँ हम एक और तरीके से करेक्शन कर सकते हैं. बाई को उठा करके who को रखें, बाई को उठा करके हम लास्ट में ले जाएं. Who have you been taught English by? But this cannot be done here because we cannot find out the errors in two sections. Hence the right way to correct this sentence is by whom have you been taught English? Well students, आप में से यदि कोई मेरे चैनल पर नए हो तो अभी के अभी मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को टच करके ऑल को क्लिक करें, ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें, कमेंट करें. Sentence number 3. Who is at the door of your house? जनरली थिंकिंग होती है स्टूडेंट्स टीचर्स के बीच में कि दरवाजे पर कौन है. Who is at the door of your house? Who is the complement, is the verb to be. At the door of your house is the adverb. There is no subject word here. When the question of who is without subject word, we must use the dummy pronoun it as a subject. So the error lies in part A. We must insert the dummy pronoun it after each. Hence, students, the correct sentence is, who is it at the door of your house? Sentence number 4. It was a king who had a son and a daughter. याद रखें, यदि रियल सब्जेक्ट कॉमन नाउन हो, जैसा कि मैंने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के संदर्भ में कहा था, यदि रियल सब्जेक्ट आपका कॉमन नाउन हो तो इंट्रोडक्टरी प्रोनाउन हमेशा डमी देयर होता है. सो द एरर लाइज इन पार्ट ए. द करेक्शन इज यू मस्ट चेंज द डमी प्रोनाउन इट टू इट्स इक्विवेलेंट देयर. Hence the correct sentence is, there was a king who had a son and a daughter. Now come to sentence number 5. What is it on the table lying in that corner? Remember, when the question is of what, without a subject word, followed by an adverb of place on the table, the dummy pronoun is there, not it. So the error lies in part A. The correction will be replace the dummy pronoun it by there. Hence the correct sentence, what is there on the table in that corner? In question number 6, what is there that I can do for you? Remember, the question of what without a subject word takes the dummy pronoun there, but when this there is followed by an adjective clause or an adjective phrase, it is not correct. Then the correct dummy pronoun is dummy pronoun it. So the error lies in part A. We will have to replace the dummy pronoun there by its counterpart, the dummy pronoun it. Hence the correct sentence is, what is it that I can do for you? Similarly, in question number 7, what is there? The dummy pronoun there in part A is not correct, as it is followed by an adjective phrase, kept in your plate. So when the antecedent is required to an adjective clause as in question number 6 or an adjective phrase as in question number 7, we always use the dummy pronoun it as the antecedent. Hence the error lies in part A. Remove there and use it. Hence the correct sentence, students, what is it kept in your plate? In sentence number 8, who is your father? It is correct. जब भी आप किसी से परिचय पूछोगे तो always पूछोगे, who are you? Who is your father? Who is the Prime Minister of India? But when there is choice, as is clear from part C, Mr. Saran or Mr. Tarun. When there is a choice, we must replace the interrogative pronoun who by which. Hence, student, in question number 8, the error lies in part A. Replace who by which. The correct sentence is, which is your father? Mr. Saran or Mr. Tarun? Now let us come to question number 9. Who of you can solve this sum within a minute? Remember, the question word who stands for a human thing. But when there is a choice, it must be replaced by which. Here, of you shows that the person is being selected. आप में से कौन? The sense is that of choice. So who is not correct in part A? The error lies in part A. The interrogative pronoun who must be replaced by which. Hence, students, the correct sentence is, which of you can solve this sum within a minute? Now come to number 10. Who are you? A teacher, a lawyer, or a doctor? When we make a question about one's profession, one's occupation, the interrogative pronoun is what, not who, nor which. Hence the error lies in part A. आपको who हटाकर what का प्रयोग करना होगा. So, the correct sentence is, what are you? A teacher, a lawyer, or a doctor? In sentence number 11, I remember me. Now mark, the subject and the object are the same person. जब भी वाक्य में subject और object एक ही व्यक्ति हो, तो the object cannot be an objective case. It must be a reflexive pronoun. So students, the error lies in part A. This objective pronoun me must be replaced by its reflexive one, that is myself. Hence the correct sentence is, I remember myself being taken to the Jew by my father. In such a case, when the reflexive is followed by a passive expression, you can avoid using the reflexive pronoun. So students, you can say, I remember being taken to the Jew by my father also. Sentence number 12, which poem is this? क्लासिकल और रोमांटिक। रिमेंबर, जब भी सवाल प्रकार का हो, टाइप का हो, तो हमेशा क्वेश्चन वर्ड व्हाट का प्रयोग इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव के रूप में करेंगे। यहां पूछा जा रहा है कि कविता किस तरह की है, क्लासिकल या रोमांटिक। So this question word interrogative adjective which is not correct, it must be replaced by what. So the error lies in A. And the correct sentence is, what poem is this, classical or romantic? Thank you.